Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use Kraken's global settings lock. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to open up your browser in order for this to work out. And after you log in with your account, click your avatar icon next to the amount of balance that you have at the top right? And then go ahead and click the settings, okay? And then basically what you're going to do, you could just go ahead to your security right here at the top, and then scroll a little bit down. You're gonna find the global settings lock, or GSL, and click activate, right? And as you can see right here, you can set the required unlock period to unlock the GCL without a master key, right? And you can set it for 3 days default, or if you want to change it, you can change it to 5 days or 10 days, okay? And basically you will be notified via email that any attempt of unlock the GCL on your account, the waiting period is the amount of time that you will have to take action in the event of a compromise. However, it's also the amount of time you will have to wait yourself if you lose your master key, or if you never set one up in the first place. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.